Good afternoon, y'all. This video was going to be a continuation of yesterday's video. This will make no sense to you. I'm 5 weeks ahead of what you're seeing on the Project Oxide videos. Today's been absolutely glorious. It's been a 20-degree day. My friends host a car show local to where we live. And I was going to add this video to yesterday's footage, but it doesn't quite fit. So rather than waste the video, we'll post it as a bonus video. I won't be coming back in the end. It'll fade to black as I'm going to do now. Right then, we're at a place called Heage Windmill in Derbyshire, and this is an event that my mates run, Attila and Jane. I believe, although you'd have to look on the internet, that this is the only 6-paddle windmill operating in the UK. This isn't a huge venue by any means, but there's no end of cars here. The sun's out. The event was supposed to start at 11 in the morning. I got here at 10:30 to secure a spot and it was already full. Attila's just managed to squeeze me on right at the back. I'm waiting for some friends to turn up. As soon as they get here, I'll walk around. I've taken the microphone off, so it might sound a bit strange, but I've done that so that you can hear everybody else talking to. Like I say, when my friends arrive, they'll get the GoPro out, they'll walk around. I won't be able to show you all the cars, there's too many, but there's no end of them. We'll walk around, we'll try and name a few for you. Right then, a couple of the lads are here. Here's Monkey Harris and Henry. We're going to walk down to the bottom corner and we're going to see if we can name a few of these cars. We're going to do it quite quick because there's so many cars I don't think we're going to get through them all. A lot of these cars have got no clue what they are. So these lads are going to help me out, innit? So, let's start off over here then, yeah? It's a Ford.
Ford Model T?
I don't know. Maybe. It's a fancy rig though, isn't it? That is. Hey. That's well fancy. Chevrolet Apache Fleetside. I know that for a fact because it says it on the side.
Look at the beautiful chrome work.
I know, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Stunning.
Home built. Right, I've got a Mark II Cortina. I know all about them. That's about my era. Shelby GT Mustang. Another Mustang. I don't know what year to be. It's E plate. I know that 72 is a K plate because I'm a 72.
Oh right.
An E plate. A B reg is 64. Seal is 65. D is 66. So 67 maybe.
Yeah.
67 Mustang.
67. What year was the Bullet Mustang?
No idea, mate. I couldn't tell you. Another Mark II Cortina, looking nice. I know it's a Jag, but I don't know what it is. Have you got any clue what it is?
No.
Might say it on the front. It's a Jag XK150. That's what that is. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Some paint on that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Interior's exceptional as well.
Right, this one here, that's a Comet Pro. I recognise that one. Loads and loads of motorbikes. I know nothing about motorbikes. Is this a Comet Pro? I'm not sure what that one is. Loads of fancy motorbikes, all beautiful. Beautiful things. I'm not really into motorbikes, but there's some real fancy engineering around these. Beautiful things. Okay. They've got the old, what do you call these things? Like a bring and buy thing? What do they call them? Buy a load of old shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of them. This is an MG. That I know, I don't know what model it is. Do you lads know?
It's MGTC, I think.
What year is it?
I'm not too sure on that. What's the
Says
number?
it on the seat.
1946. Apparently.
1946. Motorbike again. Fabulous things. Is it a Royal Enfield?
Yeah, another Enfield.
Okay, we've got a Bond bug. Look at that fella. That looks dead cool. I've got no clue what that is. What's that? It says Monterey on the side of it. I don't know what it is. It's a big, that's a Mercury. That's some yoke, isn't it, that fella?
Yeah, Bill, I don't mind putting my jacket in the boot.
Yeah, look at that. Corvette Stingray, I know what that is.
Yeah. For the boot in that, you could get some bodies
I know.
in the back of that, couldn't
You could get some bodies in the back of that, yeah.
That's what everybody says that.
Ah, a bit of a Rat Rod El Camino. That looks brilliant, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That looks really good. I've never owned a V8, you know.
Have you not?
No. Everything but a V8. Never had one. Yeah, that's well fancy, that is.
Yeah, it's a young fella from Leicester that
Like the
owns
look
that
of
El
that.
Camino.
It's nice, isn't it? A Figaro. Love a Figaro.
Because there'll be decorating tools in back of that. Honestly, that'd be brilliant.
I don't know what that is. Some big Chevy yoke, isn't it, that thing? That's some size, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Another Mustang, isn't it, this one? Hi, Jane, you alright, darling?
Hello.
How you doing?
All right, thank you.
This is a Chevy S10.
Yeah.
These are big things to modify in America, these are.
Yeah.
It's sold. Yeah, I'll be a bit in that, yeah, definitely.
And then stand next to it, you match
Vortec, I
it.
don't know if that means anything. What's this? It's a Bonneville. But I don't know who makes it. I've got no clue at all. Pontiac Bonneville. Look at that fella. You get through some car polish in that one, yeah?
I tell you what, back in the day, this would have been futuristic as anything, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's a crazy looking machine.
1950, late 50s.
I've got no clue, mate. I've got no idea about this sort of thing at all.
Old Wolves.
Shall we go down this side, then come back down that
Can do,
side?
yeah.
So, what's this? An RS?
Capri, Ford Capri.
Yeah, it's got a name on it. RS 3100, is it? With the X-Pack on it? Is that right?
You know better than you're the
3.1 V6, I think. I'm not 100%. Loads of Capris, look. Looking cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's the Owners Club, that's why. Yeah,
Old laser look.
that's well fancy, isn't it, that?
The mate's dad used to have one of them. Even got the dice in the.
It's a fancy looking rig, isn't it, on mini lights. One over here on Revolutions. These, I'll let you into a secret. I nearly bought a set of them for the Austin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Revolution copies. 185, 60/30. That'd be the same size dial I'm looking for as well.
Get out.
I'm just a bit worried about you going to Belper.
Right then, Capris, lots of Capris.
Logan, I'm a bit
Over the
worried
back,
about
we've got another Corvette. That's some rig, isn't it? Yeah, we will do. I've seen this one before. Moggy 1000, police car, couple of Rummans in the back, look. What's this thing here? Riviera.
They were doing one on these.
It's a Buick, isn't it? Riviera.
They did one on Gas Monkey.
Did
Stripped
they?
The whole thing, put the roof, and he never finished it.
Didn't they?
No. It was going to go to Bear Jackson. That's the big auction, isn't it?
I don't
They didn't
know,
get
mate.
it done in
Couldn't tell you.
time.
Big Dodge Ram. Another Mustang. That's a fancy bit of kit, isn't it? That is.
Pretty that is, isn't it?
Yeah, really fancy.
MG at the back.
Yeah, there's a few MGs down the back. Again, I don't know what the models are. I don't know enough about them. I'm sure people put some comments in below for us. What are they? MG BGTs? MG?
Yeah, something like that.
I really don't know. I'm not that clued up. For a con, I've got no idea what I'm talking about. Bit of a Jeep. What's this thing here? No clue what that is. Got plenty of filler in it, whatever it is. It's a Bel Air. Yeah. Right then, we're still on one side of the paddock, aren't we? Now then, This is a Corvette C8, isn't it?
Yeah, Henry knows all about this.
What's this, Henry?
Corvette, that's part Chevrolet, I know that.
Right.
And what's the model of this?
We're off for a
one?
good start then.
It's a C8.
C8.
C8 Corvette then. Looking very cool. Yeah, I mean, it must be some motor, isn't it? Hey, there's an old Dolomite. Are they real? Look.
Too big for an ass on wall. Looked a bit silly.
Set of 40s on it, look.
Yes.
Nicely chrome plated.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
That is nice, isn't it? I love this.
What's this yoke here? Oh,
T6.
that's a Triumph GT6. My mate had a few of these, you know, just quite stored away, did nothing with them.
Really?
Yeah, what's this fella here? A Buick. We're going to be getting into a really long video at this rate. This might be a video by itself. Chevy. Don't know.
No. I've seen them on the American shows, but this is the modern day Bullet car.
That's a Bullet modern day version, isn't it? Yeah, look at that yoke. Hi there, you alright?
No, this is what we
Bit of a Cobra?
It's a Cobra, isn't it?
Cobra.
Look at the engine itself. It's immaculate.
It's a big engine for a little motor, isn't it? That? Alright then. There's no end of people here, it's rammed. Another Mustang? Look at the back tyres on that, look. Yeah, brilliant. You can't say that.
Well, it says on the paperwork.
Oh, does it? It's not a real one.
You do well to get a real one over here.
Chevy Silver Raider.
What are they, 90s?
I don't know.
On
It
these?
says 94 on the plate.
That's pretty.
Excuse me. Now this thing,
Yeah. What, the Rover?
it's got a Ford V8 in it.
Oh, is it really?
I think the Ford, I'm not 100%.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Yeah, but they kind of made them from the factory with these engines in.
Right.
They definitely did a V8 version. Whether I'm barking up the wrong tree with this one, I don't know. But
If it's got
I'm pretty
Mustang badge
sure.
on it,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like a Mustang engine in it. Another
Yeah.
Mustang. We might have to make this video into a. Might have to try and do a bit of editing on this one. What's that, Henry?
Which one?
The Nissan.
The Nissan.
I don't know what model it is.
No clue at all. What's this horrible thing here? What's this yoke?
What's this nail?
What a load of rubbish that is.
There's another bog.
I don't think we're going to get through them all. We're going to do one side.
Yeah, and so I knew it needed to be back. I put it on charge, and I thought the run down to trucks will give it a really good.
Sounds well, doesn't it? That does. Got a couple of rat rods here. I do like a rat rod. All right, brother. How you doing?
I'm alright.
I'm all right. Yeah. We're making a bit of a video. Where's your youth?
He's coming with his girlfriend.
Oh right, got you.
They're on the way.
This is Neil.
Hello.
I'm Nick. We've done one side near enough. We're trying to name them all, and we're not doing very well.
Not doing very well.
No, well, I'm not gonna.
Have you got a bit of stage fright, kid? You've gone a bit camera
No,
shy.
I've got the world's worst hangover.
Hangover.
I don't feel great, if I'm honest.
But you're looking dead sexy.
Thank you. Feel it.
Henry, Dave, Neil,
Hello.
Neil,
Hello, mate.
Dave,
All
Henry.
All right.
We're nearly at one. We're nearly at the far. What's it called? The end. The very end. The bitter
We've not
end.
even done what's in the other field,
I
yeah.
tell you what, I got here early, and I've only just got on the end. Look.
Well, the bloke, two got turned back, and the bloke says it's been. He says I've never seen it this busy. It's been full
Full
beyond,
crank light,
you know
yeah.
what I mean?
I I think we'll have to stop this video for now because we're going to end up with an hour's worth of jibber jabbering, aren't we? So.
What you talking about, Willis?
Yeah, what are you talking about? Do you want to get a quick cup of tea then?
I'm about to go get a quick cup of tea, yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? Really clean. Bit of a Challenger here, look, a Dodge Challenger. Murdered out Challenger.
Yeah, I was just saying to Henry, this is why I want to use it.
It's got the
Is it?
Yeah.
You've got the headers on yours as well, haven't you?
It's a beast.
Big slash cuts on the sideline.
Not mine.
Mark 1 Escort, 1600 GT Mexico.
Didn't you have?
It's got GT rings on it. I've never had a Mark 1, no.
Have you not?
I've only ever had Mark 2 Escorts. What's that yoke there?
I don't know, what's on that little wee plate?
That's worth some money there. Mexico there, look. That's good.
I don't know what it is. It's a little thing. What's it called, Bruce?
An oval.
An ogle.
Yeah.
Mark 4 Cortina.
Get the photos first. I'll tell you what,
With that front grill.
That's a Mark 5 Cortina, that is.
Are you sure?
On an X, 82.
It's a Mark 4, isn't it? With that grill.
That's a Mark 5 Tina.
Did they actually come?
2-door.
Is that an original bonnet then?
No.
No.
Someone's had the polyfiller out.
That mini looks good. I like the cut.
Yeah.
Colour of that.
That'd look well on yours.
Yeah, I've still not decided what colour I'm going to paint mine. But I'm going to fit some of these downdrafts to mine.
Oh, nice. Oh, fab. You just ticked off 2.
Look at that lot.
Away from the car, there's those go.
What is it?
He says it's all
You only got that. There might be a top spot in there. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's it. Yeah, possibly.
That's a nice looking thing, isn't it?
It's nice and easy to set the tappets on it, isn't it? That mini is gorgeous. I love that. That's really cool.
It's an ostrich Cooper. Mark 2.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought the Cooper
Love the colour of it.
twin fuel caps on them.
And the Cooper S.
Oh, is that the Cooper S, is it? Right. Pretty little thing though, that is.
Yeah, very
That'd
fancy.
be fun.
Right,
Thank you.
we're going to go for a burger, I think, aren't we?
A burger.
My mate's got a terrible head, although he's very sexy looking. Yeah, just going to get a cup of tea and a burger. That'll do, yeah?
Yeah.
My belt on there.
It's not working.
It's on there.
No,
It is.
up here.
Oh, the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, when it gets hot, the screen goes black. It's a bit of a thing it does.